Hello everyone. So I pulled the tarp off and did some minor touch-ups where the tarp was touching the boat trailer, and now I'm going to flip it back onto its wheels. Rotates on changes. So it don't look too bad. I'll get it up on jack stands. I'll pull the wheels off. That way I can paint in behind everything behind the tire, or tires. I'll get this cleaned up so I can paint that. Okay, there's a little spot worn through right there, I guess, maybe. Not sure. I'm going to hit with some white primer. Just because I don't want the overspray to hit the rest of the trailer and I have to repaint a bunch. Oh, I forgot to hit the button. You might be asking what I'm going to do behind these anchor points for the spring shackles, and I'm not going to worry about them right now because I'm going to get new springs, and when I get new springs and the new axle and stuff, I will take all that off and I will probably paint it then, or I might not. I mean, it's covering real good now with regular paint, so we'll see what happens. Go. I almost forgot to push record. It's really starting to kind of look like something. Like I said, it's got runs in it, and I painted dirt and bugs into it, so we're good to go. Not worried so much about getting down in there. And anything down there that's dirty or whatever, I'll worry about later. Well, already got the wheels back on it. I kind of want to move it out from underneath the walnut tree because the squirrels have been up there just eating the crap out of walnuts. I really don't want the holes to be dropped on the fresh paint, but like I said, I got bugs in it and grass and whatnot. Yeah, that's dried in there. So I'm gonna let this dry for a couple of hours, then I'm gonna put the tarp back on it. So anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, please do subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers is my initial goal. I don't have a deadline for that, but it would be awesome to hit 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, I will see you later.